Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Aishwarya Bharat. In this video, we are going to discuss about IR interpretation of functional groups like aromatic compounds, nitro compounds, and nitrile compounds. Let's start with the aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds show characteristic bands in 5 regions. First, the CH stretching appear above 3000 per centimeter, aliphatic CH stretching below 3000 per centimeter. In 1700 to 2000 per centimeter region, a series of weak combination bands, that is overtones, will appear. Third is skeletal vibration representing carbon-carbon double bond stretching absorbed in the 1430 to 1650 per centimeter area. The CH bending bands appear in the regions 1000 to 1275 per centimeter, that are the in-plane bending vibrations. Fifth region is in between 690 to 900 per centimeter, where out of plane CH bending peaks or the vibrations will be observed. These bands are strong and characteristic of the number of hydrogen atoms in the ring. So if we observe the overall aromatic IR spectrum, due to the delocalization of the electrons in the ring, carbon-carbon single bond order is 1.5. The stretching frequency for these bonds is slightly lower in energy than normal carbon-carbon double bond. So these show up as a pair of sharp bands in between 1500 to 1600 per centimeter, where lower frequency band is stronger. And the CH bonds of the ring show up the similar to vinyl CH at 3000 to 3100 per centimeter. So you can see the three regions which will confirm the presence of aromatic ring, that are, first one is this weak to medium peaks, which will give you the carbon-carbon double bond stretch, which will be observed in this region, that is 1450 to 1600 per centimeter. And more than 3000 per centimeter, there will be the, that is above 3000, there will be the peak for the CH stretching near to aromatic, that is carbon carbon double bond, and this region is for the overtones that we are going to discuss. Aromatics, in aromatic compounds, if the region between 1667 to 2000 per centimeter, where these weak peaks, whatever the overtones we have discussed, is free of interference of carbon double bond oxygen, that is the carbonyl stretching frequency in this region, a weak grouping of peaks is observed for aromatic systems. And if we analyze for this region, it is called the overtone of bending region and can lead to a determination of the substitution pattern on the aromatic ring. So here you can observe, if mono substituted is there, then there will be a single peak. Di substituted, and that is also the ortho substitution is there, here you can see the pattern, that is double peak and the peak becomes little bit weak. For meta substitution, there will be the peak will be strong, but it will be a doublet kind of peak. And for the para substitution, this peak will become more weaker. So this substitution pattern, the substitution of aromatics and alkenes can also be discerned through the out of plane bending vibration region. However, other peaks often are apparent in this region. These peaks should only be used for reinforcement of what is known or for hypothesizing as to the functional pattern. So already we have discussed the substitution patterns in alkene in the video which will show the alkene interpretation. Here we will discuss for aromatics, that is this mono substitution, ortho substitution, meta and para substitution, how the values for this absorption of these vibrational frequencies will change. But as these are coming in the fingerprint region, these will not be that much used for the determination of functional groups, but you can identify and confirm the presence of these substitutions by seeing or by looking at these patterns or the vibrational frequencies. In case of nitro group, proper Lewis structure gives a bond order of 1.5 from nitrogen to each oxygen. So two bands are seen that are symmetric and asymmetric at 1300 to 1380 per centimeter and at 1500 to 1570 per centimeter. This group is a strong resonance withdrawing group and it itself vulnerable to resonance effects. So these two strong bands in between the 1300 to 1600 region will actually confirm the presence of nitro group in the compound. In case of nitriles, triple bond, these aliphatic nitriles absorb near 20 to 40 to 20 to 60 per centimeter. And if conjugation, that is like in case of aromatic nitriles, it will be observed in between 22 to 20 to 40 per centimeter. In nitriles, so the principal group is the carbon nitrogen triple bond at 2100 to 2280 per centimeter. And how you can differentiate these with the alkynes, because as you know, this region is known for the triple bond region where you can observe alkynes also along with nitriles. So this peak is usually much more intense than that of the alkyne due to the electronegativity difference between carbon and nitrogen. So if you compare the peak of the nitrile with alkyne peak, this nitrile peak will be the more intense as compared to the alkyne peaks.